Okay, so in this part, we will understand how to find out the remainder when something is divided by something using binomial theorem. Okay, so suppose that we have a by b power c. Okay, so we have to divide a power c by b. Okay, and then we have to find out the remainder. Okay, so what we will do, we will be using binomial concept. Okay, so what will happen, look at this. So in situation number 1, suppose that a is greater than 1, a is greater than b. Okay, so if numerator is bigger than denominator, what you should do, write a as multiple of b. Okay, means you have to write a equals to bx plus y. Okay, so you have to use this concept, and then you have to expand the binomial thing to find out its remainder. Okay, so this is situation number 1. Now in situation number 2, what will happen, a will be smaller than b. Okay, this time denominator will be bigger. Okay, so in that case, what you have to do, start reading table of power. Okay, table of power, okay, of a, and try to get closer to b. Okay, so we will try to we will start reading table of power of a, means a power 1, a power 2, a power 3, a power 4, a power 5, this way. Okay, and we will try to get closer to b, and then we will expand the binomial thing to find out its remainder. Okay, now sometimes what will happen, so this is the one idea. Now look at this. Sometimes what will happen, like this is the Fermat-Little theorem, which has its restriction as well. Okay, Fermat-Little theorem. This is, again you have to divide a power c by b, but this concept is only applicable if b is prime. Okay, so b has to be prime. Okay, now if you will just ignore, just look at this. Suppose that you want to divide a by b, and the power of a is b minus 1. So if you got this situation, so under this situation, remainder is 1. Okay, so whenever you are dividing by a prime number, keep this thing in your mind that you have to apply Fermat-Little theorem. So what is your first filter to find out the remainder? Fermat-Little theorem, and then you will apply the concept of binomial. The traditional way to find remainder is binomial only. Okay, but sometimes what happens, if you are dividing by a prime number, no, so Fermat-Little theorem can give you the answer in most efficient way. Okay, so your calculation time will get reduced exponentially. Okay, I hope you got the rough idea. When we will apply this idea on the questions, you will get better clarity. Let's move on to the illustrations. Okay.